How to use ATM card first time. Using an ATM card for the first time can feel a bit daunting, but it's a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Insert your card, slide your ATM card into the card slot with the side that has the chip facing up or with the magnetic strip facing towards the ATM's card reader. Some ATMs may have a different orientation, so follow the instructions on the screen. Enter your PIN. The ATM will prompt you to enter your personal identification number, PIN. This is usually a 4-digit number that you chose when you received your card. Enter it using the keypad provided on the ATM. Select your language. If the ATM offers multiple language options, choose the one you prefer. Enter the transaction amount, if applicable. If you're making a withdrawal or a transfer, you'll need to enter the amount of money you want to withdraw or transfer. Collect your cash, if applicable. If you're making a withdrawal, the ATM will dispense the requested amount of cash. Make sure to take your cash and any receipt that the ATM offers. Take your card. Once you've completed your transaction, the ATM will prompt you to remove your card. Be sure to take your card from the machine. End transaction. If you're finished with your banking, select the option to end your transaction. This usually involves pressing a button labeled Finish or End Transaction on the ATM screen. Retrieve receipt, optional. If you requested a receipt or if the ATM provides one automatically, take it. It's a good idea to keep track of your transactions. Leave the ATM. Once you've completed your transaction and collected any cash or receipts, it's time to leave the ATM area. Make sure to secure your card and cash before moving on. Remember to keep your PIN confidential and cover the key